Hi and welcome to another day of Swift challenges, and your challenge is to make a username password view. You'll need a button to press enter, and you're going to validate if the username and the password have something in them, and if one of them doesn't, then you cannot log in and it'll display that to the user or just to debugging for now. So really simple little program just to get you started on this. So firstly open Xcode, and now is a perfect opportunity for you to pause and challenge yourself to do this. If not, don't worry, let's do it together. So here we go. We've got sign in demo, I'll call it. Very simple one. You've got to go into a lot more programming to save the username, save the password, those sort of things, and validate and do that. But we're just going to build a simple one and go to main storyboard. We've got to add our interface objects. So let's add a button is good, and we need a text field. I'm just going to add one for now, because I want to resize it and all that sort of jazz. There we go. I like that. I'll just keep the width, so I just control dragged inside it. Top space to safe area and center horizontally. So you can do that step by step. And then I'm just going to duplicate that. Underneath, and just vertical spacing and center horizontally. I'll do for that. And the button, I'll call it sign in, and this one too, line it up with one of those, drag it to that one, vertical spacing and center horizontally as well. There we go. So that's that. And then open our assistant editor, link all these up. So this one will be our username, text field. And then we've got our password text field and our sign in button where all the checking goes on. Sign in pressed. And set that to UI button, connect it. All right, we're ready to go. So one more thing actually, with our text field, we'll go to the attributes for it. Actually, it's fine, but the next one, let's set that to secure entry. So that means you shouldn't be able to see, it'll just hide your password when you're writing it in. Sort of, I think. All right, so let's have a look at the code we're going to do now. So go to View Controller. We'll settle this up. Now we've got to check if these are empty. If one of them's empty, then nothing's going to happen. So if the username text field text dot is empty, if that's true, we don't want to do anything. So we'll print an error. Error username empty. All right, let's do another check. Else if password text field dot text is empty, another error. So password is empty. That's an error too. And then if those are both okay, we'll go to our else. We'll print success. Logging in. Now you'd probably also check if they're the right password as well. It's asking us to unwrap the text. Okay, that's fine, let's do that. This one too. Okay, that's all good. And let's run that. So yeah, in the success area, you would check that the passwords are correct. And you can do that in keychain. That's a good option if you're doing it. And then you would send them to another view. All right, so we're launching. All right, we'll type in our username and let's test it. Yep, we've got error, password is empty. Yep, that's true. As you can see, it sort of hides it. It shows the character as you go, but that's okay. Sign in and logging in success. So that's a very simple sign-in user interface. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.